Welcome to It's Rafiq. In previous chapter, you have learned about PowerPoint and how to create slides. There are a number of other options in PowerPoint that help you to add color graphics to your presentation, insert pictures, clip art, word art, shapes, SmartArt, and even photo album in your presentation. Here we'll learn how can we make an presentation as a interactive one. Such as in short we can say as how can we give life to an presentation. So in this chapter we will about to learn inserting pictures and clip art, inserting shapes and smart art, creating watermark, grouping objects, inserting screenshot, inserting sound or movies, slide transition, animation, slideshow, creating hyperlinks, printing presentation. So let's continue. Inserting pictures or clip art. We can insert pictures or clip art to make our presentation more attractive. We can insert the pictures from our computer, internet, or a magazine. There are different tools to adjust the picture such as remove background, correction, color, artistic effect, crop, etc. Inserting pictures option is available under Insert tab inside Illustration group. Next, inserting shapes, SmartArt. SmartArt is a set of graphics that help us to create different types of list diagrams. SmartArt graphics are grouped in 7 categories, namely list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, and pyramids. SmartArt contain different formatting styles, namely create graphics, change color, layout, and smart style. Creating watermark. Watermark is a faded image of text or object that can be used as background. Watermark mainly used to protect our presentation from misuse so that other cannot use our presentation without our permissions. Grouping objects. We can group multiple shapes, pictures, or objects as same object and color, resize, flip, rotate them together. To select multiple objects, we can use Control key from our keyboard. To select multiple objects, hold down the Control key, and by using mouse we can select the object and right click on the mouse and select grouped. Then all the shapes will be grouped as a whole, and if you don't want to make them group, you can do the same thing. You will click the right click on mouse and choose ungroup. Then that grouped object will be ungrouped. Inserting screenshot. Screenshot is an image of the display on our screen. We can use screenshot options to capture screenshot. Normally in our mobile also we can keep screenshot. When we take screenshot, so whatever we can see on the display, that part is copied as an image. Same thing happen in presentation also. Whatever we do screenshot, that part is copied. Inserting sound or movies. We can use audio or videos to make our presentation more attractive. Audio video option is available in media group of insert tab. We can insert video file from file, internet, or clip art library. We can insert the audio files from file, clip art library, or we can record. In PowerPoint presentation, different format of videos are supported. Some of them are AVI, MP4, MOV, etc. And for audio, we can use WAV or MP3. Slide transition and animation. Effects that are added when slide move from one slide to another slide is called transition. While watching film and cartoons, you may have noticed how next scene begins when one scene ends. This way, one slide follows another one. On the screen is called transition. Nowadays, if you are watching TikTok videos, you may have seen the transition videos. How one scene is quickly changed to another one. So these things we can do in presentation also. That part is known as transition. Means we can add some type of effects when one slide changes to the another one. Special sounds of or effects that can be added to the text or objects are called animation. Animation can be different types. Mainly 4 types are there in a presentation. Entrance means how the text or object will appear on the screen. Emphasis, that means when the text or object is already in the presentation, how they will appear, what type of animation they will show. Motion part, here we can draw some part, through that part that animation will follow. And exit, that means how the text or object will exit from the slide. Record narration, we can record our voice narration to create a self-running slideshow. Self-running slideshow means we no need to do anything, the presentation will run automatically. It is available under slideshow tab under setup group. Creating hyperlinks. Hyperlink is a connection between one slide to another slide in a presentation. Normally when we click next button or when we click next button or arrow sign in our keyboard, then we move to the next slide. Suppose I am in slide number 1 and I want to move to slide number 5. Then easily through hyperlink we can easily move to the slide number 5. Even we can move to an internet page or email address. The hyperlink can be slide, an email address or a web address. Text or objects such as shapes, pictures can be created as hyperlinks. At last we have printing. Slideshow or presentation, we can use print option to print the slideshow or the print. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.